Hello everyone, today is Friday and when I woke up this morning I was 63.95 kilos, which is a net loss of 350 grams since yesterday. So yesterday I had an insomnia and I fasted for 21 hours. I walked 22,332 steps for a total 16.3 kilometers and I walked fasted. I didn't have a shake while I was walking. I then went to the gym and so I trained fasted. I trained upper body. On a scale to 0 to 10, I'll give myself 5.5. It was a good training actually. I did only machines and I trained fasted, which is the first time it happens in a long time because I used to go to the gym in the morning and so I was always fasted. But because of the gym schedule, the winter gym schedule is not great. So in the morning, it opens too late for me. So I train midday. And so it explains that I was never fasted until yesterday was my first fasted training, and so yes, I was hungry, but I was not hungry during my gym session. Obviously blood going from my digestive system to my muscles as soon as I start training, that's normal. And so I drink a lot of water as well when I train, so it really curbs the hunger sensation. But I was a little hungry when I walked, and that's normal because usually I eat before that. I eat a few hours before, so my body was just sending a normal signal, which is, hey, you know what's going on, I'm hungry, I haven't had my usual calories, and should I be worried? So no, you don't worry, it's gonna be okay. Don't go against your body. Don't try to force or trick your body. Your body is your best friend, and so you really want to work with it to make it feel better. And for me, because I am super tired because of my insomnia, so my chronic insomnias, that's why I'm doing OMAD. And so the hunger that I feel when I start sleeping again, full nights, I can guarantee you that my body will be very happy about it. And also, I have to say that I don't, like, OMAD is tough in the sense that, yes, the first 2 weeks are really different. You know, you feel hungry and it's a different schedule. You're not as, don't eat as many times, and that's maybe tough for people who are using eating as an emotional support tool. When I start doing OMAD, after a couple weeks that are the hardest, there is absolutely like no hunger. My body gets used to it, to the new schedule, and it just gets on with it. So yeah, the first 2 weeks, it's something, if you hate being hungry, if you can't stand the sensation, if you're always snacking as soon as you feel the slightest amount of hunger, you will probably find it very hard to do OMAD. That might not be suited for your style. But me personally, I love to eat with appetite, and I love to, when I start my meal, I love to be hungry. I hate eating when I'm not hungry. I just feel like it's just no point, really. So my body is used to my schedule, so it's obviously hungry before my meals. That's something that we need to understand about OMAD. Eating once a day, especially if we were used to 2 or 3 meals, is not normal. It's not our routine. So it is normal that we will feel hungrier. I had my last meal at 4:30 p.m., finished at 5:15 p.m. So I had carrots, a mixed soup with potatoes and black beans. I had the tofu, broccoli, and quinoa dish. I added a half tablespoon of sweet chili sauce, ended with a little bit of cheese, gorgonzola, and crackers, and a bit of chocolate. In terms of total calories, yesterday we're talking 1,268 calories, so 85.8 grams of protein total. I have to say though, after my last meal, because it was so close to my shake, or just, I don't know, but I felt very full. I felt like it was too much. I finished my meal, but I felt a little bit of discomfort at the end of it, and it rarely happens, but I think it's the amount of black beans that I ingested. It was a lot of volume, and also the fact that I had broken my fast about an hour and a half before that, an hour and a half, a bit more, but the shake was probably still had given me the sensation of fullness, and so I wasn't really eating with appetite, which I hate. So that's probably why I felt like this. But anyways, today is the first day of OMAD, real OMAD. Yesterday was the last time I was eating twice a day. Even if it was a short eating window, it was the last time that I was eating twice a day. So today, the first day, I will see you tomorrow for feedback on the first day of OMAD, which is today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.